Sit down in SUKHASANA, which is a simple cross-legged posture with your palms on your knees and the eyes closed. If you are comfortable sitting in this posture with your spine tall, shoulders relaxed and without any movement, you can then proceed to prepare for the practice of PADMASANA. To prepare for half lotus or ARDHA PADMASANA, sit down with your legs extended in seated Dandasana. Bend the right knee and hold on to the right ankle and the right knee, as you can see in the video, and gently cradle the leg, moving from right to left. This creates space in the hip and allows you to prepare for PADMASANA. Place the right heel against the left pelvic bone and bend the left leg into the simple cross leg that you do for SUKHASANA. Sit with your palms on your knees and the eyes closed for a few moments and observe how this posture feels. Once complete, you can release the legs and repeat the same sequence on the left leg. Once you have mastered the practice of SUKHASANA and ARDHA PADMASANA, you can go on to attempt full lotus or PADMASANA. To begin, sit down in Dandasana with your legs extended. Bend the right leg and hold on to the knee and the ankle, cradling the leg from side to side to allow the hips to open up. Place the right foot against the left pelvic or hip bone and using your hands, bend the left leg, bringing the left heel towards the right pelvic bone. Allow the knees to drop towards the mat. Place the palms on the knees in Chin Mudra with the thumb and index finger in contact, the eyes softly closed. Sit in PADMASANA for a few moments, observing your breath and your spine, and when you're ready, release. Shake the legs out before you attempt the same sequence on the left leg.
To get into the tree pose, transfer your weight over to the left side, reach down and hold on to your ankle and place the heel as close to the groin as possible. Keep the proper alignment in the tree pose. Press back with the left thigh and straighten your spine, lengthening your upper body. If you're not able to take your heel closer to the groin, start placing your heel closer to your knee, keeping the right hip joint externally rotating, and then slowly come up as you maintain your balance.
Start by standing straight with your arms on your sides. While inhaling, bend your right leg backwards and hold the right ankle with your right hand. Extend your left arm straight out in front. Try to move your right leg upwards as much as you can. Hold this posture for 20 to 30 seconds and keep breathing normally. Slowly come back to the starting position.
Ustrasana, camel pose. Start with placing the hand on the hip and gently arch back. Stabilize your shoulder blades and slowly with control release your palms of your hip and try to reach for your heels. Use your back muscles to hold the posture, keeping your butt muscles tight. Take slow 5 deep breaths in this position. Now inhale, slowly place your hand on the hip, use your abdominal muscles and come back to the starting position. Rest on your heels, bring your forehead down and relax in child's pose.